Welcome back to the channel. So today I've got a tour of the Vintage Coach Saddlery Bag for you guys, and the style number for Saddlery Bags was 9535, and this bag was made in the original New York City factory, and I would estimate likely in the 80s, but I'm not 100% sure about what decade or year that it was made, but that would be my guess. And as you can see, it's in the color black. So this is a really beautiful bag, one of my favorites, and I would say it's a somewhat rare style, or not one that I've come across quite a bit. This is actually the first one that I've acquired, so I'm excited to share it with you guys. Okay, so now I'll go ahead and show you the bag. So here's the front. As you can see, it's got a turn lock closure, and then it's got buckles on the side and an adjustable strap. And then here's the back, no back pocket on this one. And then here's the other side, and it's got a one-sided hang tag. Does have some of the original tarnish to the hardware. I didn't restore this one or anything, so it's in the original condition. Oh, and this is a crossbody bag, if you were wondering. And I'll go ahead and open it now and show you the inside. So it does have this front pocket here, and it's got a pretty roomy interior, and it's got a long zip pocket here in the back, and it's also got like an older style of zipper pull, so slightly different than some of the younger vintage bags that we see. So that's kind of cool to find. And then of course the Creed is back here. I'll insert a photo of it now so you can get a better look at it. But yeah, that's the Saddlery bag. I think it's really cute. It's, like I mentioned, one of my favorites. So I'll go ahead and link it below in our Etsy shop if you want to take a look at it. But otherwise, thank you for watching, and take care. I'll see you guys in the next video.